So can you please introduce yourself, sir?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Manish, and I'm from Bangalore. It's been 8 years in Bangalore, and I'm a human resource professional. Um, I was, introduced to a stock market, by my ex-boss. So who used to do, who used to spend a lot of time in reading, looking at annual reports, and that's how I got to know about stock market. Slowly I started asking him in my as a curiosity, and that's how I got to know about value investing. So it's been, I think, 2 to 3 years uh, into a stock market, learning lots of things. It's not so easy, so it's all about.
So how was your experience? Like your boss seems to be a serious investor reading annual reports and all, which we cover in our process as well. So how was your experience in the market in the last 2 3 years?
So, if you ask me, initially I've done my, value investing course. After that, again got into a technical analysis. So, it was completely different part, from value investing. Technical analysis where you need to give so much of time, day to day
Right.
analysis, look at the stock price on daily basis, up and down. Some point of time, to be frank, I realized that there is no point, wasting on a day-to-day basis or a weekly basis. We need to have a long-term vision or long-term perspective, which will help, from a future perspective. And obviously, I'll also learn about the compounding. It's a great experience.
Yeah, obviously, like you said, trading is a 24x, 24 into 7 job. It's like full time job, whereas investing is more like part time. So, and which is peaceful as well. Once your perspective is in long term, then you are like more peaceful. So,
Yeah, you know
and
what exactly you are doing and why you are doing. That is the most important thing
yeah,
than anything else. Because what happens, the moment you do a trading, that experience is different. Every day you'll have up and down. It might have an impact on your health and other stuff. But
obviously.
the moment you talk about
The stress factor is very high in trading. Like people have lot of stress. That's what I said. Like investing is more peaceful. If it is long term, it is more peaceful. Like if it is trading, it's lot stressed out. People are really stressed. So you have taken my full course, that is sensible investing. So are you satisfied with the course?
Yeah, definitely. I am satisfied with your course because the way you have taken the, what do you call, the way you have conducted the training program. It's really helpful. Um, it completely changed my perspective. What I used to have in my mind versus what I am now. It Like you taught me how to invest sensibly, how to read cash flow statement, how to look at the balance sheet, how do you do evaluation, what are the things you need to keep in mind, margin of safety, how to follow principle, and the importance of compounding. So that is something really helped me, uh, as a person, and definitely, it's going to help me in future for sure.
So are you confident enough? Like now, are you confident that you can analyze stocks on your own? And people depend so much on their brokers. They rely on their friends, relatives, people, neighbors, colleagues, and all. Now, are you confident enough that you can invest on your own instead of depending on others?
I'm confident enough, if you ask me, because see, by the end of the day, it's my hard-earned money.
Yeah.
Uh, so why should I depend on somebody else's tips? Because see, with this course, I got so much of knowledge, and I have so much of confidence now on my own. So then why to depend on somebody else? Let's analyze stock, follow the process, and just go on.
And what do you think of the Excel sheet that we use in the analysis?
Excel sheet is very simple and easy to understand if you ask me, and especially your 2 minutes test.
Yeah, 2 minute test.
So
Like people always talk about the 2 minute test in our process.
uh, so your Excel files really tells you how to you go step by step. Uh, like it's not just the Excel sheet. If you don't understand any particular part, you can just go and watch the video. That is a most interesting thing.
Yeah, we have almost 4.5 hours of videos embedded in the into that Excel sheet, so that people are stuck because we have so many worksheets, almost 12 13 worksheets in the Excel sheet. So I don't want people to get stuck in the process. So I just embedded almost like 4 to 5 hours of videos in that. So is it helpful? Yeah, is it helpful?
Yeah, it's very helpful. I would say. Because whatever we learn, till the time we don't try to go and implement in the Excel file, and if your Excel file is not so simple or easy, then whatever we learn or we want to implement will not come out clearly. So if I look at from that perspective, yes, Excel file is
And
simple, understandable, and easy to implement.
yeah, is it reducing your workload?
Yeah, it is reducing my workload because if I refer my own sheet, need to go different parts. And good thing about this Excel file is all are linked. Okay,
Hmm.
you just go and link to screener.com. So it will all the data will populate automatically. We just need to go uh, analyze how the data is look like, and can start taking your decision.
So that is what, you don't need to enter any numbers, you just click a button, everything will be auto generated into that Excel sheet and you just sit back and analyze. So and the last question, and the last question from my side is, do you recommend this course to others who are beginners or people who are investing in the market and losing money, or who want to just passionate about stock market? Do you recommend this course?
100% I'll recommend, because reason is, there are people who really want to do something good in stock market, and they don't know where to go and how to go. Okay, the moment people come to know about Vishnu sir, and the moment they start attending your course, obviously they'll come to know the importance of the market and importance of the value in investing. Because see, there are so many people available in the market, but they will not tell you the truth. Okay, the way you have told me, if you want to follow process, how to go step by step, margin of safety, management, all those stuff. So it's very important, from a learner perspective, because if you get good person who can guide you, person who can guide you, that completely change your life. That's what I'm looking at it. So I'll request all the new learners who is a new into the stock market, or who would have lost money, they can go and attend your course, because it will completely change your life. That's what I can say.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words, and I hope you implement the process and be disciplined. So, learning the process is one side of the coin. You have to practice it as well, because ours is more of a contrarian approach. We have to buy when others are selling. We are selling when everyone is buying. So the behavioral aspects also plays an important role. So I hope you apply the process and you be disciplined and happy investing. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.